Hello viewers, we are going to consider vectors, and under vectors we'll be looking at dot and product. So we've been given this question that vector P is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 8k, and vector U is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 3k. Then we're asked to determine the dot product of P and U. And so before we determine this, we have to understand this basic rule of vectors or dot product, that I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, and k dot k equal to 1. So bearing this in mind, we can now solve the question. So we say solution. So we are to determine P dot U. So to determine P dot U, that's the dot product of P and U, we have to multiply this by this, this by this, and this by this. So we take it this way. Now we know that the coefficient of minus I is 1, and so we have positive here. So if we have plus times minus, it will give us minus, okay? And now 3i times I will give us what? 3i times I is going to give us 3, because we know that I dot I will be equal to 1. And so we come to this second one. We are done with 3i times minus I. And then we come to this one. We have minus 2j times minus 2j. So we know that in arithmetic that minus 2, directed numbers, minus 2 times minus times minus is going to be plus. 2 times 2 will give us 4. J times j is 1. So minus times minus will give us plus. 2 times 2 will be 4. And then j times j is 1. So our answer here remains 1. So we now look at this point. Plus times minus is going to be minus. Alright, 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. And from the row k dot k will give us what? 1. So our answer here remains 24. So our final answer is going to be minus 3 plus 4 will give us 1. Minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Then 1 minus 24. So minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So we have minus 24. This will be equal to 1 minus 24 will give us minus 23. Minus 23. So we write it properly. So the dot product, it means that the dot product of P and Q for this particular question will be minus 23. Let me write the minus 23 properly. So we have minus 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.